back to another cozy and productive day in my life. I am so excited about this video. I've been loving creating these types of vlogs, so definitely let me know if you guys are liking them. I have a whole day ahead of me and I have a lot of things I need to do, so figured I would just bring you guys along. I'm gonna start with my little skincare. I've been prioritizing doing this at least like once or twice a week, and it's been helping a lot. And I switch out between nose strips and the eye gel mask. I just feel like they give such a refreshing feeling that I really love. So I'm gonna use this one. It has little ladybugs on it, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's from TJ Maxx, and I'm just going to put it on because I like leaving this on to kind of marinate or stay on my face while I am doing something that I need to get done for the day. I don't know why, but it just gives me kind of like a productive start to my day. I've been really trying to prioritize skincare, and this is like a form of skincare for me. Like I said, I have a huge day ahead of me. There's so many things I need to get done, but I want to start with doing some monthly recaps. Even though this is not a monthly recap video, I do think it's really important to prioritize my goals and have something that keeps track of them. So this is my journal. It is just from Amazon, and I got the stickers from Amazon as well and put stickers on it to make it cute. I think it looks so cute. It matches my aesthetic perfectly. Inside, I have a list of all my goals, which I'm not going to share all of them, but just for some purposes, I have a list of all my goals and I keep track of them this way, and I think it's a really beneficial thing for me to do. And then my goal is for each month to have little recaps and also intentions. So I didn't make an intention list for January, but I do want to write all of my January goals out that I had and if I succeeded with them and what I need to do better in February. I also think I'll print out little pictures from Pinterest just to have a vision. And then for February, I'll do the same thing. I'll go to Pinterest and I'll kind of print out my February intentions and then just write some of my February goals and intentions here. I really like doing this because at the end of the year, I'm able to look back on my goals and see how I did and how I made my dreams come true. Not if, but when. And I think that writing your goals down and writing your dreams down are really, really beneficial because for some reason, it just really helps with actually allowing me to obtain my goals. So before I do anything, I like to do some journaling, and it's within the first week of February still, so I want to write down my goals as soon as possible. So this is what we're gonna start with.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
I just finished doing January, so just to show exactly what I meant, I printed out some pictures from my winter Pinterest board, and then I just did a January recap. So I wrote a little bit of how January went, I did a what I accomplished in January, and then I did a what could have been better and an overall what I rate January. I think it came out really cute, and I'm gonna do a similar thing on the February intentions page as well, and I'll show you guys the recap once I'm done. I'm not gonna lie, this took me a very long time and I was not expecting it to, but I'm not mad about it because I feel like it is the perfect reset that I needed for the month. So as you guys saw, I did my January one, and my recap is basically just going over everything that I'm proud of that happened in January, but also everything that I would like to be better. And then I did my February intentions. So I did some goals for this month, and this is kind of what the page looks like. So I have my vision board, and then I have my intentions and the goals. So I have my YouTube goals, my Instagram goals. I want to prioritize lifting. I have host a Galentine's party. I have read more, take more pictures and videos, post on TikTok and on Instagram Reels more. And then I have a personal fitness goal. Then I have an affirmation for the month. I really like allowing myself to have these affirmations for the month because it allows me to remember why I started and stay disciplined and motivated. So my affirmation for the month is my opportunities to find love are abundant. I am loving and kind. My heart is open to love. I deserve self-love and self-care. care, and I'm surrounded by love in all forms. Now, the way I'm talking about this is love within all of my relationships, love with my boyfriend, love with my friends, love with my family, love with my boyfriend's family, and love within myself. Obviously, some of these loves are different than others, but I think the one that I'm focusing on the most is self-love, because that's the one I kind of have the most hard time with. Then I have a whole list of what would make this month great, and then I have exciting things coming up for this month that I want to reflect on. I really like the way this came out, and I would highly recommend doing this, and I like the little vision board that I have on it as well. It is now 11:40, and I will never make it to Orange Theory in time for the 12 o'clock class because I'm not even ready for the gym. So I took myself out of the class, and I'm going to go to a 5:15 Orange Theory class, which is a little later than I would like, but it's completely okay because sometimes things just come up and you can't always stick to a schedule that you want, and I learned to accept that that's okay on some days. So we're still going to the gym, we're still making a priority, we're just gonna go a little bit later. Right now, I'm actually gonna run out and pick up my boyfriend's mom's cake. Her birthday is tomorrow, and I ordered her a nothing but bundt cake. I got a Reese's peanut butter chocolate cake because that's her favorite candy, so I think she's gonna really like it, but I need to pick it up before tomorrow because we're getting a big snowstorm here in New Jersey, and I wanna make sure we have it. And then I also wanna run to Trader Joe's just to get some flowers and also some stuff to cook dinner. So it's 12 o'clock right now, and I feel like this is the perfect time to go right before the snow and everything like that. So let's go pick up the cake and also go to Trader Joe's. That was actually pretty good timing. I got everything I needed. So from the dollar store, I got this little heart vase because I thought it would be cute to put flowers in. I got a few things to decorate the counter with. So I really wanted a happy birthday sign that was pink, but I couldn't find one, so I just got this happy birthday sign. I did find these streamers that were pink though, so I'm going to put these next to the happy birthday sign because I think that'll be cute. I got a card for my boyfriend and his brother to give to his mom, and then I also got a card for me as well. I got a tablecloth to make the counter look really cute, and then I also have this bow garland that is actually for my room and my Galentine's, but I might use it for just like table decor and stuff like that. And then I got really pretty flowers. So I got these flowers right here, which I think are beautiful. I'm going to combine them with these. I think that is just going to be so cute and nice. And then from Trader Joe's, I also got these heart-shaped raviolis. I've been wanting to try these for a while now, so I think I'm gonna make them for dinner, and I want to see if they're good because if they are, I want to have them at my Galentine's party. And then I did get happy birthday balloons. So I have this balloon, and then I have this princess balloon. I really wish it said happy birthday, but it doesn't, so I thought that combining them together would be cute. And then I have some red heart balloons as well. I obviously would have showed you guys this in a better way, but I can't go inside and like do a full haul because I'm at her house. So I wanted to just do a little haul, and then I'll show the full display later.
My headspace, been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday, and
did the flowers. I think they look really cute. I especially love this little vase. I think it just puts the whole theme together. I'm gonna leave these out for a little just to bloom with the natural light and the food I just gave them, and then hide them before Chad's mom gets home. Right now, as I showed you guys in the car, I also got these ricotta raviolis that are thinly stuffed with pasta with ricotta cheese, Parmigiano Romano cheese, and a reduction of balsamico, which I think is just balsamic. They look like this. I've been wanting to try them for so long, so I'm gonna make them as a little lunch, and I'm very excited. So let's go to the kitchen and make some of these.
you know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. And you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell.
I just made my little lunch, and those heart raviolis from Trader Joe's were so good. I didn't know if I would like it with sauce because of the balsamic, but honestly it gave it the perfect sweet and savory flavor, and I actually really did like it. I didn't have all of it. I did end up saving a lot of the bowl just because they're really filling, and I am gonna go to the gym soon, so I didn't want to be too full, but they were really delicious, and I'm definitely gonna have them for dinner, probably with some like chicken cutlet. The next thing I wanted to talk about before I go to the gym is my dopamine menu. I've been seeing this all over Pinterest, and I actually created one myself myself. I got a lot of these prints from Pinterest and I used Canva and created my own dopamine menu. If you don't know what a dopamine menu is, basically it's something to boost your mood and instantly make you happy. So it's a list of activities that you really enjoy and it's split up into a menu form. For the exact definition, it is a list of activities that release dopamine in the brain, which can improve mood and well-being. The concept is really trending on TikTok and Pinterest and YouTube, so I just wanted to talk about my dopamine menu. This is what mine looks like. I really love it. I do still have to fill in some of it with you guys, but I did end up doing the main structure of it. Basically what I did is I got paper, markers, stickers, and some prints that I just cut out, and I split up my menu into starters or appetizers, entrees, sides, and desserts, and I made it really cute and girly, which I really like. The appetizers or the starters is an activity that's supposed to be quick and easy. So as an example for that, it could be a 2-minute gratitude check, it could be a sunlight break, it could be going outside for a quick little walk, it could be a quick stretch, it could be deep breathing, it could be skincare, it could be complimenting someone, basically something that is going to take you between 1 and 10 minutes, I would say. Then you have your entrees. Now, when you think about an entree, it's the main course of your meal. So this is something that would take around, I would say anything that's more than 10 minutes to an hour or even 2 hours. So for example, it could be creating a YouTube video, working out, baking or cooking, going for a walk, going for a run, reading something fun, being creative, doing a hobby. Then we have our dessert, which is something that is best in moderation. So it could be watching your favorite TV series, it could be watching YouTube, it could be having a sweet treat, it could be shopping in person or online, it could be scrolling on social media or even buying your favorite drink. And for this, I would say it's between 10 and 20 minutes. And then we have our side dishes. And for side dishes, this is something that accompanies your entree. This is something that can be enjoyable, but it also could be tasks that you need to do that you don't necessarily want to do. These I don't really break into minutes. I just put it as something that I need to do and look at it as a way to stay productive. So it could be reading a book, it could be doing something to stay on track with your goal, it could be having a stretch break session, it could be having a healthy snack, it could be lighting a scented candle, something that's fast that will allow you to stay happy while doing that task. So for me, if I have to do some work, maybe I'll light a candle and have a nice healthy snack next to it to really keep me in that dopamine menu happiness, if that makes sense. So like I said, I have my dopamine menu all worked out here. I got a lot of these pictures from Canva. I think I just typed in dopamine menu inspiration and this is what I came up with. I really like it. I actually used this font and then created it on Canva, and then I used markers to kind of create this and then typed font on Canva and then glued it, and I think it came out really cute and it looks exactly like a menu. And then right now I'm just gonna fill in my starters, my entrees, my sides, and my desserts, and I thought it'd be cute to do together. So I wanted to share this with you guys because it is something I am going to start utilizing to stick to my goals. I'm just realizing now my hair looks crazy. I definitely need to fix that. But would highly recommend this. Let me know if you guys have seen anything about this and how you feel about it. I'm gonna light a candle as my little side and we're gonna get to work. I'm about to go to the gym, but I just wanted to show you guys the final product. So this is the outside. I didn't add anything to it. And then I just added some things I like. So for starters, I did skincare, listen to music, have tea, gratitude check, deep breathing, and stretching. Entrees, I did create a video, have a photo shoot, go to a workout class, cook or bake, declutter a room, and go for a walk. Sides, I did go shopping for groceries, go to Starbucks for coffee or a refresher, or go to Dunkin', whatever it may be. Read your favorite book, light a candle, have a healthy snack, and then do some work. And then for desserts, I did go shopping at the mall, watch a TV show or YouTube video, have a sweet treat, scroll on social media, buy a drink, and be creative or edit. I think it came out so cute and I would highly recommend doing this because it really does help, especially when you need that motivation and determination for things you need to be productive for throughout the day. Like I always say, being balanced is very important to me, so that's what I do. Now I'm gonna go to an Orange Theory class. I'm gonna leave this pink sweatshirt on because it's cold outside. As I said before, it's gonna snow in New Jersey, so I definitely wanna be warm. I'm wearing a white fox shirt underneath. I'm just gonna put on some black leggings and a sports bra, and then we're gonna go to my Orange Theory class. It's the next day and I just wanted to do a little recap based off of yesterday. So I went to the gym. The workout class was actually really nice. It was a 500-meter benchmark row, and usually I don't like the rower, but it was nice because it was a split template, and basically that just means it's like 4 minutes on the treadmill, 4 minutes on the rower, a few minutes on the floor, and then you switch throughout the whole hour class. And it just gave me the motivation I needed to get through that class, so it was a really nice workout. I don't think I'm gonna go to the gym today because, like I was saying, it is my boyfriend's mom's birthday and I think we're gonna go out to dinner tonight. It did snow in New Jersey. It's more ice though, so it's not really the snow I'm concerned about, it's more the ice, because it literally just looks like a layer of ice outside. There's really not that much snow. Maybe there's an inch. I did set up a whole little thing for my boyfriend's mom last night. I'll put a little clip on the screen. I was doing this at 4 a.m. in the morning, so I couldn't film because I wanted her to be surprised, but she really liked it and I think everything came out pretty nice. The next thing I'm going to do, since I am home today, is make some heart-shaped cookies. I actually already did this. They're the Pinterest heart-shaped cookies. I'll have a picture on the screen. It's a thumbprint cookie and you use either your hand or the back of a spoon and you put a heart in it and then you fill it with jam. My recipe came out really good, but I didn't realize that I was supposed to put the jam in a piping bag to make it easier. So I want to try it again because I want to perfect it for my Galentine's, which is Saturday, and it's Thursday right now. So let's go to the kitchen and do some heart-shaped cookie inspired baking.
Saw you, I was winning, already in love before you came in, washed away the tears from yesterday.
I think using the piping bag definitely helped because a lot more of these look like hearts, and I think they're gonna turn out really good this time. At least I hope they do. I'm gonna put them in the oven now for 10 minutes and then I'll show you the final product. I ended up putting a little jam on them when they came out of the oven, but I think these look so good, and using a piping bag is definitely the trick for the jam. I'm very excited about these and will definitely make them for my Galentine's. Home from dinner. It was so good. We went to this place called Arca and I would highly recommend it. It's a very like classy Italian place. I got penne vodka with grilled chicken, but it just tasted so fresh but at the same time so good, and I highly recommend it. And I also got a lemon drop martini, which was made perfectly. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and let me know what you're most excited for February, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.